Yes. What is Oracle Apex? So Oracle Apex, it is actually a low-code platform, development platform. This is the product of Oracle, one of the low-code platform. And using Oracle Apex, we can build and scalable and secure enterprise applications with low cost, and that can be developed anywhere. Anywhere means we can develop it in on cloud, Oracle Cloud, or on premises. Oracle Apex, it is also known as HTML-DB previously, and it is started with version 4.0. Now we have the recent version, that is 23.2.4. Yes. So when Oracle Apex is low code, then we need to understand what is low code compared to traditional coding. So here we have some of the low code platforms and traditional coding platforms. One of the main thing for using low code, that is high productivity, and for traditional there will be high control. So few examples of low code platforms are Oracle Apex. We have Power Apps and Lightning Platform, App Maker by Google, and OutSystems, Mendix, and VBCS. So some of the examples of traditional codings: Java, JavaScript, .NET, Python, Node.js, and so on. Yes. So one of the most useful and why we need to prepare Oracle Apex for development is, one thing, it is low code, and another thing, it is free of cost for license. Okay, suppose anybody running Oracle database, they can directly install Oracle Apex. It will come with Oracle database with a free of cost. There is no extra cost is required to install Oracle Apex and use it. So compared to Power Apps, in Power Apps, we need to pay per user license cost. So again, compared to Oracle Apex, licensing will be very huge for Power Apps. Yeah. This is one of the most important thing to choose Oracle Apex for our development platform. Yes. So here we have some level of controls for no code, low code, and high control. Okay. So no code. Suppose if there is any platform with no code, then there will be no code. Everything will be drag and drop format. But here we have low code. It will be containing drag and drop, and it will provide us to write some kind of codes for customizations. And again, if there is a high control, so we can have we can customize the UI. We can write our customized HTML, CSS, JavaScript, those kind of things. Yes. So here, the characteristics of this platform. Suppose if we want to develop any application using Oracle Apex platform or framework, so one main thing is it is browser-based IDE. We no need to install any software for development purpose. Suppose we can develop using our iPad also, iPad or mobile. We can also develop it if it has internet connection and browser. There just these two things is required for develop the Oracle Apex application. And there is no any client software, external software is needed for that. Just we need internet connection and a browser. Yes. So here, whatever application we develop using Oracle Apex, it will be stored in Oracle database as a metadata format. So detailed things we will be covering in our next sessions. So here it is just overview. So I will be explaining in future. So each and everything. Yeah. Yes. So here, if you see this picture, so everything it will be stored in Oracle database. So when any request is made from the browser, it will go to the database. Then the response will be come from the database. So using Oracle Apex, we can rapidly develop, customize, and deliver the things. Yeah. So as it is a low code platform, so there is everything it will be pre-built. So for example, security things, authentication, and connectivity with the database. Suppose if you consider any J2W application or any Java based application, then in that case, we need to have database connection using J2EE or some other things. Okay. So here it will be everything, it will be ready. Once you configure your Oracle Apex environment, it is automatically linked to the database schema, and the security things, pre-built security things is applied automatically by Oracle, and authentications, different kind of authentication. Yeah, and some kind of validations and session management. So many things are automatically applied to the application. Yes. Suppose as it is a low code, we can in a few minutes we can create the proof of concept applications, or we can create ready to use application in just few minutes. Yeah. So here are the clear picture of the things. So we can develop, we can customize based on the end user requirement, and we can deploy it immediately and deliver. Yes. One more most important thing about the Oracle Apex is it is responsive for any devices. Suppose if you consider, if you assume that you developed the application for desktop, you are trying to access in iPad or mobile, so automatically the things are responsive. You can see here, this is the laptop view, desktop view, and this is in iPad. See, this automatically responsive. In mobile also, it is automatically responsive. Yes. Uh, from the Oracle, we have services provided by Oracle for this Oracle Apex development. So here we can install the application in on-premises, and also Oracle, it will provide autonomous database, ATP, and there is application development, that is application as a services, which is provided by Oracle. This is in cloud and this is in on-premises. Yeah. Again, some overview about what is on-premises and infrastructure as a service, what is platform as a service, what is software as a service. Yeah. So here, if you consider on-premises, the application, data, runtime, middleware, OS, virtualization, servers, storage, and networking, everything we need to manage. So that is on-premises thing. So suppose infrastructure as a service, if we are subscribed for this one, so application, data, runtime, middleware, OS, these things will be in our control. We need to manage, and virtualization, server, storage, networking, it will be managed by the service provider. Yeah, same thing in platform as service also. Application and data, we will manage. Rest of the things, it will be managed by service provider. Software as a service. So everything, it will be managed by service provider. So here we have a few example about these things. Yeah, this is some structure about the Oracle Apex workspaces and the demonstration of how the workspaces will be stored in database. Suppose in a single database, we can have multiple workspaces. So what is workspace? These things, it will be explained in detail in future sessions. Yeah, for example, assume that. So you are developing an application for some department, for example, sales, and another application for support, and another application for HR. And so they want to store data in separate schema or separate workspaces. In that case, so in a single database, we can create different workspaces, and we can create the application in those workspaces. And again, still we have a connectivity and visibility from one schema to other schema using the grants and privileges. So we can share the table in between the schemas or workspaces. Yeah. So also we can define many-to-many relations between workspace and schemas, and instance administration manage the environment and schema access. What is instance administrator? So for any, if you compare Oracle Apex and install the Oracle Apex in database, so that will be considered as one instance. And for that Apex instance, there will be an admin. So what is the role of admin here? So admin can create the workspaces, admin can map schemas to the workspace, and admin can add users to the workspace, those kind of things. And he can have security setting, those kind of things. It will be under control of admin, instance admin. Yeah, suppose and also each workspaces can request more spaces or customize setting for their workspace, then that request will be served by the instance admins. Here we have some kind of Apex data security feature. So this is overview. So in depth, we will be covering in next future sessions. Yeah. For example, here we have users, and user when he want to access any application or Oracle Apex application. So through the API call from the browser, so everything will be encrypted. The request will go to the database. Then from database, so database level also Oracle has some kind of security encryption, database vault or something. And also there is a different kind of encryptions are there. So this is the view about that thing. So this is a kind of overview of Oracle regions and those service server centers. This is of year 2020. Yeah. So if we want to know more about Oracle Apex, so here there is a website. We can visit this website and we can know more about that. I will be navigating to that workspace now, and I will explain how we can request the workspaces. Yeah. Before that, before navigating to that Oracle Apex site, so what are the skills required to become a professional Apex developer? Yeah. Suppose we want to become professional Oracle Apex developer, then if we know Oracle Apex, then by knowing books or videos or some tutorial, if we know only Oracle Apex development, then it will be 30% Oracle Apex developer. Yes, if you know basics of SQL, PLSQL, and Oracle Apex framework, then it will be considered as 60% of the total course. Yeah. Then if you know front-end development technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and so on, then it will be 80% of the development. Yeah. Then the last thing, if you know jQuery, dynamic actions, and some kind of security measurements, then it will be 100%. So all together, Oracle Apex, database skills, front-end skills, and some kind of better best practices which we follow in software development. These all together will be contribute 100% and professional Apex developer.